Hi, this is Shushmita, Assistant Professor of Computer Science in Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we will discuss about the topic of continue on breaking statements. I hope you have a smaller confusions in these two statements. Yes? No problem. But today I will help you to clarify your doubts. Here I draw the continue statement and breaking statement flowcharts. Okay, then we will move the syntax part. So first continue. Continue statement that skips the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next iterations. This is a continuous. So the syntax of continue and then ended with a semicolon. So in C languages is used to bring the program control to beginning of the loop. The continue statement will skip some line of a code inside the loops, and to continue with the next iterations it mainly used for conditions, so that we can skip some code for a particular conditions. Let us start our flow chart. So first we put a starting the loop, put a conditions. So the condition is true, we continue the loop formations, okay, until the condition are satisfied. Else then the loops will end or else put our output initialize variables value. So these formations our continue statement executed. The example in while loop, we give our text expressions opening curly braces for executing some sets of codes, and then if statement give us some text expressions. This test is continue until the conditions are satisfied, or else we put our outputs. So the continue will stop this iteration. Okay, this is continue statement. Next, a breaking statement. So what is the breaking? Breaking is a keyword is used to bring the program control out of the loop. Break statements is used to inside the loop or switch statement. The break statement breaks the loop one by one. Okay, let's start our flow chart. If start the loops, the conditions are true, so let's move the break statement. Okay, or else false, again the loop will be continued. Okay, for examples in while we put some text expressions and give the some statement of codes. The conditions will true. Oh, the loop will go to the break. The loops will closed. Or else the condition is false, again loop will be executed. What is the difference between break statement and continue statement? Break statement is used to exit from the loop construct, but the continue statement is not used to exit from the loop construct. The breaking statement is usually used with switch statement, can also the within while loop, do while loop or for loops. But the continue statement is not used in switch statement. Also use the while, do while, for loops. So when a break statement encountered, then the control is excited from the loop construct immediately. When the continue statement is encountered, then the control automatically passed from the beginning of the loop statement. So this is the major differences of continue and breaking statements. Okay. I hope you cleared all our doubts. We'll discuss another topics in next video. Thank you.